Do you love me, Mom?
I love you so much. I love you dearly.
Good morning, Penelope. It's Daddy's birthday. So today is my 18th birthday. So how old am I, Laika? How old am I now? How old am I? Do you know? Do you remember?
48.
Yes, 48. 48.
That's not important. So anyways, today I'm going to Manila because tomorrow my parents are coming in and I'm picking them up from the airport. And so we're having spaghetti and cake for breakfast. It'll be my first time driving to Manila and my first time driving in Manila. I'm a little nervous. I can do this, right?
Good luck.
So we're gonna get the birthday cake and then we're gonna sing.
Happy birthday.
Look over here.
To you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Sing happy birthday to me.
Tawa lang si
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
All right, thank you. Let me get 100 pesos here. Hold on. That's the best happy birthday song I've ever heard. That's the best. So what is this right here? What is Mahal? Are you gonna miss me when I go to Manila?
Yes.
You ready to eat cake now? Cake and spaghetti for breakfast. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but the view is amazing. I finally made it into Manila last night. It took me well over 10 plus hours. The traffic was so bad. Now I can understand why they leave at 5 and 6 p.m. and drive all night where there's no traffic. I ended up starting a little late because I celebrated my birthday, so I didn't leave until around a little past 8, maybe even close to 9 o'clock. Anyways, I'm finally here. I'm going to common space. It's a co-working space. So that's what I'm pretty much going to be doing all day today before I pick up my parents. I believe my parents come in around 11 p.m. tonight. I'm going to work all night, maybe grab some dinner. Hey guys, I'm here with Johnny. We're just having chocolate cake. After this, we're going to pick up my parents from the airport. And then after that, we're going to head back to Bicol. So another 10 plus hours back up, back down to the Bicol region in Buhi. We're going to spend the next 3 weeks. That's what's happening. I'm excited to see my parents. I'm so excited that they made a decision to come here and see Penelope. So it's going to be an exciting thing. We're going to do a lot of fun things. We're going to bring you guys along with us, okay? We're waiting on my parents to come in. How was your flight? Pretty good. Hi, Mom. Hi. Dad's getting a haircut right now. A senior citizen discount, that is 32 pesos. Running some errands before we get on the road to go to Bicol. My parents finally get to see Pipa for the first time, so it's going to be very, very exciting.
Hi.
How are you liking the Philippines, Mom?
I like it, but I'm lost. I don't know anywhere the places.
My mom was born and raised here, but she's been living in the States for how long now? You've been living in the U.S. now, Mom?
51.
So 51 years in the States, so. We just left Manila. We're on our way to Bicol right now. And so it was my first time driving through Manila and in Manila. It's not as bad as I thought, so it's pretty easy. We're hungry, so we're stopping by and having a late lunch right now. Ube and cheese flavored loaf. That's yum. You like it, Dad?
200 na lang para magkabilihan tayo, di
Dad's
ba?
trying to bargain.
So pretty, right? Oh, this is Lola. This is Lola Perla. Huh? And Lola Cerny.
Another addition, huh?
This is the 11th. Your children. I'm so excited from the bottom of my heart, from the top to the tip of my tongue.
We have another Banawa.
Yes, another. One day you're gonna be coming to the United States, and then you're gonna talk Tagalog. It's so cute. You're so cute. You're like a baby.